Yeah.
Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Marichu Valdez Perez, and today I'm going to invite you to do an omelette, Mexican style, where we're gonna need 2 eggs, 5 pieces of cilantro, bell pepper, onion, tomato, mushroom, and cheese. In this case, I'm using Mexican blend for the cheese. So the first thing is to cut the onion. Like in this case, I cut the onion in small squares. That's the onion, and I have it ready in a container on the fridge. So when I'm ready to cook something, I have the onion ready. So this is a suggestion. In this case, I have over here on this pan half a spoon of oil. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of onion. This is optional. If you don't like onion, you don't have to put it. So in this case, I will put onion, but to do your omelette, you can add ingredients, or in this case, if you don't really like onion, you don't have to put it on. So 1 spoon of onion, in this case I use onion, and 1 spoon tomato. I'm gonna put it. Half a spoon of cilantro, and a mushroom. I like mushroom, so I'm going to add mushroom. And over here in this pan, I have some chorizo. This chorizo is ready. I already cooked the chorizo. So I'm going to add like 1 spoon of chorizo over here. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients. So we have onion, tomato, cilantro, mushroom, chorizo, and I'm going to add, in this case, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Have you here some pepper? And a pinch of salt. So I'm going to add right there. You can see the onion is the color change, so it's ready. I'm going to add the eggs. So 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs here in this bowl. And I'm going to mix the eggs like that. It's ready. Then I'm going to add to the pan. So I'm going to move the egg all over the pan. And right now I have it like higher, medium higher, the heat of this stuff. And I'm going to leave it like that to cook in like 30 seconds, 40 seconds more or less, a minute. I'm going to make like a taco. So I'm going to start doing the omelette. So this omelette is ready. I already add salt and pepper, and over here I have some cheese. So I'm going to put the cheese. It's like a spoon of cheese, 1 spoon. Like I said before, this is optional. You can add more or less ingredients, depend of the way you like your egg, okay? Omelette. So I'm going to start making the omelette. Now you see, it doesn't have to be like perfect. It's going through. The omelette on the middle, and then I'm going to turn it the whole thing. The cheese is getting melty, so looks really good. And like you see, I'm not a perfect cooker, like to do a perfect omelette. It's okay. See? But you can also do your omelette. It doesn't have to be perfect. For me, I always cut it in half. So when I do that like that, it allows me to just to go and turn the omelette to the other side. As you see, it's almost ready from the top. It's ready. So I'm going to keep it like for 20 more seconds, and then I'm going to put it on the plate. Okay, like you see, that's really easy recipe to do your omelette. Okay. And then this is the other half of the omelette. Okay, so this omelette is ready. I'm going to try the omelette. So right now, this omelette is ready, and I have green salsa, and green salsa with tomatillo, cilantro, garlic, and serrano pepper. And I have this one with tomatillo and chile de árbol, or the árbol pepper. This one is spicy, so this is optional. In this case, I'm going to put half of the omelette. I'm going to add some green salsa, and the red salsa I'm going to put in the other half. Okay. My mouth is getting like watery, melting. This looks really yummy, so I'm going to try. Thank you for watch my video, and I encourage you to do the omelette and let me know what happened. Okay? Delicious. So I invite you to do something today. Okay? Thank you. Bye.